guys. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling my... Okay, sorry, you guys. You guys know I'm not right. Okay. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna get right to the point. I'm doing another hair tutorial. Yes, you guys are like, oh, all you do is hair tutorials now. Okay, yeah, I do. Other stuff is coming soon, but I really wanted to show you guys this hair. This is from a Gorgius Hair, and I will put their Instagram here, and I will also put their link in the bio. You'll get all the information about this hair, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys from beginning to end how I customize this from it to look like this to this, okay? Like hot girl status, okay? If you want to learn how to do that, if you want to see how I like this hair, how I like the texture, does it work good with me, then just keep on watching. But before you do, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and all of that. Okay, so as you can see, I already have my wig cap on, and I just took out the hair from the bag, and I'm showing it to you in its natural state, how it looks. And as you can see, these are beautiful curls. It's a beautiful ginger color, so I'm pretty impressed. And I'm showing you guys that it comes with the elastic band at the back and some combs to secure it. And now I'm putting on the wig so that you guys can see. As you guys can see, this is not a transparent or HD lace. It's more of a medium brown, which kind of looks gray on me. I don't like that too much, but there's always a fix to things. And another thing you'll notice too is that the hairline is super thick, like it's not pre-plucked or anything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pluck that a little bit, or a lot. And yes, I will be back. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and I plucked it. And the hairline is still not as natural as I want it to look, but it's much better than before. So this wig is definitely a wig that you're gonna have to just sit there and pluck, 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 pluck. But as you can see, the hairline is not too bad. We can still work with it. So now I'm going to adjust the wig to make sure that it fits around my ears. So I'm just gonna clip this back and take a scissor and just cut around where my ear is. And ladies, be careful, do not cut your actual ear. You have to be careful, take your time. And now that I've positioned exactly where I want the wig to be, I'm just going to push the lace back, and I'm going to clip it back, and I'm going to take my bold hold glue, and I'm going to put it like way in front of my hairline. I don't want this to touch my hair at all, because girl, let me tell you, if this gets on your hair and you take it out and you don't take it out properly, your edges will be gone, kind of like me. So learn from my mistakes, ladies. But yeah, I am just going to put probably just 2 layers of the got2b, because I'm not planning on keeping this wig for too long. And I'm going to wait until it dries clear. And yeah, so this is how 2 layers of it looks. Now I'm going to slowly position the wig where it needs to be. Be careful, because you don't want to make a mistake around here. You just position it exactly where you want it to be. to make sure that it's nice and laid and flat, I'm just taking a comb and I'm just combing it down to make sure it's nice and secured. I look crazy, but don't worry, we're gonna finesse this wig. It's gonna look good, it's gonna blend in, everything. And I'm going to lay it down with my melt band, but before I do that, I'm going to take out wherever I would want some baby hairs to be. And after I'm done doing that, I will take my melt band and I'm literally just going to lay it flat. So what this does, you guys, this is necessary. It will make sure that the glue just melts the lace on my forehead. And I'm going to style my hair while I let it just melt. So in order to blend the lace a bit more to my skin tone, I'm taking a darker shade, which I use for my contour, and I'm mixing it a little bit with my concealer just to make it the same color as my forehead. And also, one thing I should note is my forehead is much darker than my actual face, so I can't use my foundation color. I have to use like a much darker color. And I'm just attempting here to make this gray lace match my skin tone. And I also realized that I don't feel like putting too much of this color. So one thing that you can do in order to camouflage the lace is you can put baby hairs, which is what I'm doing right now. So I'm just cutting out baby hairs and I'm going to lay them. And this will really help the blending process. I'm going to put back the melting band while I do my makeup to get that extra laid look. Alright guys, so this is the result of it. Sorry, adjust my mirror. Yeah, I am loving this, you guys. Like, this is reminding me of when I was a ginger and everything. And the wig is really easy to handle. As you guys saw my tutorial on how to, you know, customize the wig to yourself. You guys, I am so out of breath. I'm like a million years pregnant and I can't. Anyways, but yeah, what do you guys think of this? I am absolutely in love with it. It was really easy to do. The only thing I will say is, in order to get a natural hairline with this, you're gonna have to do a lot of plucking, and also be careful with the lace, because I was, you know, bringing it up forward a bit and it completely, sorry, I thought this was catching on fire or something. And it completely like ripped a little bit. So those are the two things I would say, but other than that, I'm in love with it. Let me change the light setting too so you guys can really see it. Yes. So this is natural light, and then I'll show you guys with like the light, if that makes any sense. Okay, yeah, this lighting might be a bit better for you guys to see. But yeah, I really like this hair. It's nice and soft. There's no shedding. The only shedding that there was when I was plucking it, and that's normal. Obviously, you're supposed to have like a big bundle of hair, you know, up in your hand or whatever, but other than that, it's super nice. I can do a whole bunch of styles with this. Like if I wanted to do like a cute little half up or whatever, like it's super natural looking. I really love this, and I'm kind of like, do I want to be a ginger again? Like this was my color, you guys don't even understand. So again, for the information about this hair, I will put everything in the description box. The length, the density, the link, everything, like even promo code and stuff. You guys know I got you, okay? Anyways, shout out to Gorgius Hair for this amazing, beautiful, natural, cute wig, okay? Do I recommend this hair? 100%. Just again, there's a lot of plucking to do, and you just have to be careful with the lace. I tried my best to finesse like a brown lace. I don't usually do brown lace. Like I like transparent or HD, because I find that brown lace kind of looks gray on my skin, as you guys saw before I cut it. But yeah, no, this is completely, yo, you guys, I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling my, okay, sorry you guys know I'm not right. Okay. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, all of that stuff, okay?